and welcome back to my channel. And if you wouldn't see my first video, then please see, link is in the description. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a intro. So today I will tell you how to make an intro. So for this you have to go on YouTube. I want to show you my brother's channel. So this is my brother's channel. So please subscribe him, and link is in the description. So please subscribe him. And he also have more channel. Let me show you that. Alokushu Animation, Alokushu Vlogs, Family Gaming. In Family Gaming I am also there, and Family Vlogs. So yeah, please subscribe him and please see his volcano update in Roblox jailbreak new vehicle. In this video I am also there, but there was some voice issues, so that's why he write in the screen. So let's start with the video. So for making an intro for your video and channel, what you have to write an intro template number text 2D. Okay. This one I use for my intro, Pink Landscape. You can use another also. So in Alokushu channel there was something different to copy link and download that document riddle. So in this it is the very easy process to make an intro. So what you all have to do, first you select whatever intro you like to make. Yeah. So basically my intro video is this.
When people watch your video,
please just ignore this ad. Wait. So this is my intro one. So yeah, you can also select another one also. So for what's happening? So if you think that you like this type of intro, not this, this is number this. If you like this intro, so yeah, this type of intro, but mine is this one, which I'll show you. Mine was this one. If you guess, if you carefully see my intro, so you will remember this was my intro. Just please ignore background voice because there are so many people, they are doing conversation. So yeah, so if you like this intro, so what you have to do, if you have an iPad, an Apple iPad, it will be more easy. So if you have any Android phone, so what you have to do, for actually I don't have, I have an Android phone but not an iPad, not pad, tablet. So what you have to do, if you are an Apple, so you please follow this process. If you have any Android phone or any tab, so you also have to do the same process, but there is something different. So please, you can take a thought, then you can understand how to do in Android and in Apple also. So yeah, so if I want this intro, so what should I do? So actually the screen recording is on. So wait. So what I do, that if you have a screen recording, the screen recording is on, you can see this flickering red light, it is the recording. If I stop it, so it will be stopped. So what should you do? If you afterwards seeing my video, you have to record this. Okay, with your screen recording, and if you want your microphone on, so it's okay, I don't have any problem and you also don't have any problem. So go in your photos. Actually मैंने पहले से ही करके रखा था. Wait, so this was the screen recording. So what happened that before that it was this. Yeah, before it was I record the full video, then I go to edit one, then over there I use this filter. You can also use filter whatever you want, and over there in the last one I do the cut and crop it, or in the video one you can trim and split it. So yeah. Oh wait, what happened? Wait. Oh. So yeah, this was the video. So now what you have to do, you have to take this video to your KineMaster app. Okay. So go to KineMaster, and there was a problem of the logo of the KineMaster over there. If you click on delete, you have to pay. So I don't need to pay. So for only the tutorial of how to make an intro, only that one. So now go to media and click on all. Okay, and click on all. Then you use the this was the whole video. Okay. Actually I take it two times. This was the video. So yeah. So this was the whole video. So what you have to do, you first split and trim it. So I need this last one is better. So yeah, wait, yeah, from there I think it is okay. Yeah, from there it is starting. So what should I do? I will click on that. I will click on the video. So then trim and split. So it is left playhead. I have to trim the left of playhead. So I will click on trim to left of playhead. So it's trim. Okay. Now for writing your name and all that, what you have to do, you have to go to the layer one. Okay, go to layer and click on there is media. So it will be get an other duplicate, but not duplicate, mean it's get an one more layer. It will get on one more layer in your video clip. So for one more layer I'm not taking media and effect, I'm taking text. Okay, in text I will write my channel name. My channel name is Sukriti Gaming. So this is my channel name. So I click. And now in the font one, you can also change the font whatever you like. You can also change the font, and you can also change the color. So I am using blue color. I am using blue color, and the shadow and the text one and outline and glow one with the black and some pink color. So yeah, so I am clicking on the outline one, making it on, clicking on this. Okay, so like this. In the in the outline one, what you do, if you want the same type of intro, so what you do that in the outline one, you can take the color which is matched to your background, background something, and in shadow and glow you can take black color or something white color. If you have a dark background and a dark writing type, you can use white, and if you have some light, so you can use black. So my background and everything is light and peach type and cute, so I am using black for the outline and no, not for outline, for shadow and glow. So I am clicking on black color and it is black. ऐसे वो sorry I'm talking in Hindi and English for make you understand. तो यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे ना तो ये ऐसा सेम आएगा. सो प्लीज़ डोंट थिंक दैट कि ब्लैक कलर नहीं आया. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. या now go to glow one. Sorry, now I'm going to this one and I select black color, and this is from the distance and this is from the angle. Okay, I hope you able to see. Yeah, so I want this in spreadness should be this and size. Yeah, so I'm choosing the black color. To glow I will also choose black color only. So this Sukriti Gaming, and this is the spreadness and size. Yeah, so this is the Sukriti Gaming. I hope you all understanding what is written. So now what I do, I will extend it, not to the last, because there was a subscribe one icon over there. Now you can see this, but now you can also see ना कि थोड़ा फीका सा है, कुछ आ नहीं रहा है. So wait, सबर करो थोड़ा सा. तो what you have to do, you have to make this small. Okay, make it small and click on ON. If you have KineMaster, so you can see that the above the delete one icon, it is ON icon. Click on that and you can click on this. Then it slowly the background one is getting big, so please make it big also, like this, so it will be look much better. Now make it more bigger. Now it slowly wait. Now it's slowly getting down. So yeah, wait, because I'm getting confused. I hope you all able to understand what I really want to do over here. So now there is the icon is Sukriti Gaming. So what you do, that click on that again. Now go to out animation, so it get fade, not over here. Over here you can also get light left, slide up, whatever you like. Yeah, also like clockwise. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, so I take this fade one. Whatever you like, you can take. It is your decision. I'm making small. Yeah. So for now in the video there is nothing music. So I will take the music and go to audio and music. So I take this freestyle one. So yeah, so there is a freestyle one. The intro, it is not an intro type, it is just a song. So I take the first music from there. Sorry, just ignore the background voice. Now what you do in this between, what you all have to do, that this is the last point. Okay, this is the last point. What you do, that split at playhead. Okay, now go to the last one over here. Now trim it left of playhead. Okay, now you are telling that दीदी आपने ये क्या करवा दिया, ये क्या करवा दे. रुको, just see. Now click on this freestyle one and try to move it back. Okay, I hope you are able to understand what I want to tell you. Now this. Okay, so now you can able to there was a double voice, so that's why it's not being a layer and layer. Yeah, so like this. So this you can make your intro while adding your music. So please subscribe my channel, and this is my first intro, and if you wouldn't see my previous video, so please see it, and I need your support and like. So yeah, bye bye.